Welcome to the TOPS 1 training presentation series, Accounts Receivable Setup. Today we're going to talk about code setup, assignment to owners, and functionality. Today's agenda will break down assessment code overview, the assignment of charges, and the definition of code distribution options. Chapter 1, Assessment Code Overview, the setup of charge code. From the selection of a community, from the Community Activities screen, scrolling downward along the right-hand corner, you'll find related links. Select codes from this area. The community's accounts receivable codes, from assessment to late fee to NSF fee. Some are required for the AR module to function, some are not. All are required to have a GL setup. Some are unlimited in the number of codes allowable. Some are limited to 1. Now let's see a demonstration of navigation to the accounts receivable codes. Under the codes, you will find two specific to AR, Special Assessment and Assessment. Only assessment is necessary for the Accounts Receivable module to function. From the Code Navigation area, to create or add a new assessment code, or go into the Setup options, they are the same for both Assessment and Special Assessment code. When you add or edit a code, you will see the code type, once you've pronounced the name, alias, and description, the code type, calculation method, the late fee method, the code frequency, the linked accounts area in the center, and code categories, where different amounts are able to be listed under one code. Each code category can be set up independently within the code and can be assigned independently to each owner or property as well. To complete the code setup, simply click the Save at the top of the screen. Let's take a look at this video demonstration. Each selection is independent, but are specific to the overall code. Make sure you save at the top. Chapter 2, Assignment of Charges, adding the assessment to the owners. Only two codes have an assignment property. This is specific to assessment and special assessment. When you select the Assign to assign it to a property en masse or independently, you'll click the Assign to assign currently to the selected amount of owners, specify to select all owners on the page. The amounts can also be entered manually through the drop-down adjacent to each owner. Some codes, considered non-recurring charge codes, sometimes referred as miscellaneous charges, are not assigned or applied on a regular scheduled basis, and have no need for an assignment functionality beyond it. Chapter 3, Code Distribution Options. Under Codes and under Actions, selection of code distribution will take you to an area where you can distribute by default or by specific lockbox functionality how cash is applied to the entirety of the system. Let's see the assignment of charges in demonstration. In the Codes area, under Actions, select Code Distributions, and let's see a demonstration of that action. Thank you for watching this TOPS 1 presentation training series. Please continue in the series.